Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I'm coming to you from hot California. I'm in Southern California, and it's been so hot here, for us. We like it in the 80s, but it's been more in the upper 90s and the hundreds, so that's more than what most of us can handle. I know for some of you, you're thinking, that's not that bad, but for us, it is. I find most of the time I don't even want to bother putting any makeup on, and I just stick my hair up on my top of my head, because you don't want that heat with your hair around here, so just keep it simple. Which, brings to mind some of the questions I get with skincare. For me, not wearing makeup, I like my skin so much that I don't even feel like I need to wear makeup. I look better with it, of course, but I feel confident without it. Just a little lipstick and that's it, and I'm fine to go. And I don't feel like, oh my gosh, I don't have any makeup on. And it's because of products. And what I wanted to address today is this area in here. As we age, you get little wrinkles and, kind of the flaccid looking skin here. And I've done other videos on it. And yet every day somebody calls me or emails me and says, what do I do about these little wrinkles in here? So I'm going to give you some tips for that today. And it works for me. I always say I'm not that young. I'm getting older all the time, as many of us are, but I'm still like my skin. I'm really happy with it. And, I don't have any lines or wrinkles, and I don't use injectables, and I don't use fillers. These are just from good medical grade skincare products. It's important to use good products. So what I want to talk to today, we're going to keep it simple. And then on some other videos, I'll address some other products, but these are some that I know will help you. So as I say, I always start with the JoElla Milan Capsule Youth Water. This is I love this stuff because I use it in the morning and the night and just really get it on your face and saturate it and rub it in. Because I still have people that just spray it. You don't want to just spray it. You want to just rub it in. And especially around the eyes, because it's going to, if you have crepey eyes, it's going to help the crepey eyes here. Just really rub it in, in the neck, the chest. And I've been doing it on my arms too lately, because as we age, that's the area that gets not attractive. So even though, you work out, it still needs a little bit of extra help. So anyway, this is my number one thing I do every morning. And then at night when I'm cleaning my face, after I clean off my makeup, I always take a cotton pad, and put this on it and just wipe my face again, and then go on with my whatever products I'm going to use. So that's number one. And then I bring these up because when I started with Viktoria De Ann, it's been over 10 years. I've lost track of time. Way back when they had, I think, like 3 products and a cleanser. There was hardly anything. But I started for 3 years, I used the Pepti Lift, Pepti Tone, and the eye serum, and that was it. And I still had dramatic changes to my skin with that. We're talking dramatic. But the Pepti Tone, this is what this is for, toning your skin. And it's, they have the best peptides, because Viktoria De Ann, they grow their own peptides. You get a lot more in your products than you do with most products that say they have peptides. But they have amino acids, nutrients, vitamins, and they're just so good for the skin. They keep your skin healthy and youthful. And that is absolutely 100% coming from me, that I know that it works. You want youthful skin. So the Pepti Tone, twice a day, not just once a day, not 3 times a week, every day. And in the beginning, if you want to have results, twice a day. If you get to the point where you like your skin, you can go to once a day. But, with me, even after 10 years, I do twice a day because I feel like I need it. You got to keep it up. So the Pepti Tone is going to address this issues in here that get so soft. You could see it. When I don't somehow use this, I could see that in here. But it's this area, and I know many of you have it. You just get these little lines. They're not ugly, but they're just soft, and you could see them. So this is what you want to do. So it's a key product. And if you want to add something else, because I know some of you that in the beginning you don't want to spend a lot of money, or you are, fearful of overdoing it, get the Pepti Lift. And that one's another one, to Pepti Lift, Pepti Tone, because the tone tones the skin, and the Pepti Lift lifts the skin. So, it's kind of bringing it all together. So if you want to just start off with those two products, and the JoElla Milan Capsule Youth Water, that one you could, add in when you're ready. But my customers that use this, they love this stuff. I mean, it's a must-have product. Because this, honestly, will take like 5 years off your face. Not overnight. And I know even if I didn't use anything else and I just did this, my skin's going to still look good. Because a lot of times at night when I'm lazy or tired, I've been working all day, I just clean my face and just rub this in, because you could feel it. You wake up and you feel firm. And that's all I'll do. Especially with this heat like this, sometimes the less is the best. So that's just a simple thing. Pepti Lift, Pepti Tone. So again, you're nourishing, you're hydrating, you're giving your skin vitamins and the amino acid and the peptides. So, I mean, it's amazing. And the products are made by biochemists, which I think is fascinating too. They're not just formulators, they're biochemists. So they're very aware of ingredients and what works. So if you have any questions, you can call me on my toll-free number, or you can send me an email, and I'll get back to you. And Viktoria De Ann, they have some requirements when you purchase in the beginning, and I'll get you going on that. And I don't get you on a routine. I love to help you. I love to get you on the right products. You don't want to just go and buy something and you're not sure what works. I'm happy to help you. I love to help you. And one of my most joyous things is when somebody has a good result on their skin and they're really happy with that. So I really look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.